Hello guys, in case you don't have computer system, laptop or desktop, this is the best method you can use in debloating, removing unwanted apps from your Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO phones. This will help you improve your phone's battery life, and then the screen on time is going to increase drastically. So let's go. Step 1, you must install these two apps. Number 1, you have Shizuku, and then number 2, you have Canta. You can download these two from Play Store. In case you don't know how to download this, you can check our Telegram group for this. So once you are done installing Shizuku and Canta, the next step is to enable developers option from the phone's main settings. But before then, you need to enable notification from your Shizuku. Notification, enable that so that you have this, as you can see, being displayed. Next step, head over to your phone settings, tap on settings, then about phone. Okay, about phone. If you are using Redmi or Xiaomi or POCO, then we need to enable developer setting or option. To do that, you are going to tap on OS version. Tap it 5 times or 6. Developers option will be enabled. Then head over to developers option, USB debugging, turn it on. USB debugging, turn it on. Then install via USB, tap on it. Make sure you have a SIM card in your phone, install via USB. Then USB debugging security settings, you tap on it. You're going to have this interface, the first warning. After this, the second warning. After this, you now have the third warning. Ignore the warning and click on next or accept. Then you proceed. Once we are done with this stage, we accept. Then our option is turned on, USB debugging security. Can you see that? Make sure you accept, please. Make sure you accept. Accept it. Turn on USB debugging. 3 options. Can you see them? They are turned on. Then from here, next step, tap on wireless debugging. You will see this interface. Then pair device with pairing code, the last option. You see a code. Then a notification bar from Shizuku will drop. Copy the code and paste. Or you can type it. If your keyboard is obstructing it, you need to memorize or write it down somewhere. Then drop down your notification and paste the code. Let's do that quickly. So you click on next or OK. Pairing successful. So you are done with that. Next step, head over to Shizuku and tap on wireless pairing or wireless debugging and start. You have initiated wireless debugging. We don't need a computer system. Then we need to enable Canta. Okay, we need to enable Canta. All these options are optional, please. We need to enable Canta. Hope you are seeing the interface. Your phone is not rooted, so you can't use that part. Next step, you see Shizuku is running, authorized 0 applications. So you tap on it and turn on Canta. Can you see it now? Then we open Canta now. Can you see Canta? The first option here represents all the applications undeleted. The second row represents deleted apps. But before then, we need to do something quickly. Okay? I have a list of debloated apps in my Google Keeps. So these are the list of all the applications I need to uninstall. Can you see that? This is HyperOS list for POCO F7. I'm using it for POCO F8 Pro. So we'll copy everything here. Copy, then head back to Canta, then tap on the 3 dotted vertical lines by the right hand side. Then you see presets. We're going to tap on that. so that we can paste the list there. So are you ready? Let's go. So after you click on or tap on presets, the next thing you see import presets. Tap on text and paste. Next, tap on import, then apply preset. Apply preset. All the applications have been selected. Can you see it? Then you delete 155 apps. Yes, if you are ready to go with it, everything becomes successful. So this is how you can simply debloat your HyperOS or any other OS. Please debloat according to your taste. This is an extreme debloating process. Please take note. Some applications like theme, wallpaper, and the rest will not function. So please go through the list, select what you need, select what you don't need, and only install only what you think is the best for you. This will improve your battery life drastically. After this process, I need to show you one important aspect again. Uninstall all pre-installed apps. Debloat them. This one you can do that manually from the phone interface here. This is a new phone. This is the first setup. Hence, we'll uninstall any pre-installed bloatwares. I see my list here. Let's uninstall everything. Yes, I need my battery to be very stable. 2 to 3 days battery life on a single charge is not bad for a new device, especially for a Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO device. So let's remove this one too. Then after this, if you are satisfied, what about Netflix? We can uninstall Netflix. Yes. What about this wallet? Let's uninstall it. Then Netflix. Uninstall it. Instagram, I don't need it for now. Uninstall it. Then I think we are good to go, right? So can you see how many apps left? Just few apps. So immediately you are done with this. The next step, the last step now. Next, head over to your phone settings. Alright? Tap on apps. Then search for battery and performance. Tap on it and clear all datas. Okay? Clear all datas. Next, background auto start. Turn off as many as you can. Background auto start. These apps begin automatically or they function automatically immediately you turn on your phone. So please turn them off to save your battery life. Few more steps I need to show you. You need to turn off every recommendation on your phone. Every form of recommendation. Tap on your phone security icon. Then you see receive recommendations. Turn them off. Turn it off. Then head back. Tap on security scan. I need to turn on my security scan. I need to turn on this data usage. Yes. Show network speed. I need that. Every form of recommendation, turn them off, please. Is that clear? This will prevent adverts. Then for security scan, system updates, turn it off. All this scanning, turn them off so that your phone will not be scanning in the background, and this will be killing your phone batteries. So please take note of this so that you can have enough SOT on your smartphone. You are meant to use, at least your battery should serve you for at least 5 years. Yes, if you can do this properly, I believe you enjoy your phone very well. Last step, this is bonus now for you. Head over to your phone settings. Head over to additional settings, memory extension, turn it off and reboot your phone. That is it. You don't need memory extension if you have enough RAM. That is that for this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more.